Are you trying to lose weight but don't know what to eat for lunch or dinner? In today's video, I am sharing 7 easy Indian weight loss salads that are high in fiber, filling, and completely oil free. These salads help in fat loss, digestion, and blood sugar control, and they are perfect for weight loss and diabetic management. Let us start with the recipe. First one is mixed vegetable salad. To prepare this, I have taken 1 cup of cucumber cubes. Here I have not peeled the skin. If you are not comfortable, you can peel the skin. Cucumber contains 90% of water and peel contains high amount of fiber. 1 cup of carrot cubes. Here also I have not peeled the skin. 1 cup of radish cubes and half cup of pomegranate and finely chopped coriander leaves. Add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Adding salt is completely optional. If you want, you can skip this stage also. Give a good mix and serve immediately. This mixed vegetable salad is low in calorie and high in fiber. With low glycemic index, it helps to prevent sugar spikes. It is rich in vitamin A, C, and antioxidant. It helps in weight loss, improves digestion, boosts immunity, and supports healthy blood sugar levels. Next one is cucumber and green gram sprout salad. To prepare this, I am roasting 1 tablespoon of peanuts. Dry roast the peanuts. Here I am roasting with iron pan, which helps for better absorption of iron. Once it is done, switch off the flame and keep it aside. Into a bowl, add 1 cup of cucumber cubes. Here I have used cucumber with peel. Half cup of green gram or moong sprouts, roasted peanuts, coriander leaves finely chopped, squeeze half lemon juice, add pinch of salt if required and give good mix. Cucumber is low in calorie while moong sprouts are high in protein and fiber, keeping you full for longer. Moong sprouts and peanuts provide plant protein, iron and healthy fats. Fiber aids gut health and prevents constipation. Low glycemic ingredients helps to maintain stable sugar levels. Peanuts provide good fats that support heart health. Next one is chickpea salad. To prepare this salad, I have taken 1 cup of sprouted chickpeas, lightly steamed, 1 cup of cucumber cubes, 1 cup of tomato cut into small pieces, add half lemon juice, pinch of pink Himalayan salt and give a good mix. Chickpea is high in protein and fiber, which keeps you full for longer and supports weight loss and muscle health. With low glycemic index, helps to manage diabetes. Fiber from chickpea and cucumber supports gut health. It helps to reduce bad cholesterol. They are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, boost immunity and skin health. Next salad is beetroot carrot salad. To prepare this, I have cut beetroot into thin slices like this. 1 cup of beetroot slices, half cup of carrot slices, quarter cup of cabbage slices and quarter cup of apple slices and 2 tablespoons of grated fresh coconut, 1 spoon of pepper powder and pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Give a good mix. This salad is rich in vitamin A, C and antioxidants that strengthens the immune system and boosts immunity. High fiber from cabbage, carrot and beetroot improves gut health and prevents constipation. Low calorie fiber rich salad that keeps you full for longer. Beetroot helps to increase hemoglobin and supports heart health. Antioxidants help to detox the body. Next is high protein salad. To prepare this, I have taken 4 to 5 varieties of pulses, that is black chana, white chana, green gram and peanut. Transfer it to a large bowl. Wash it and drain the water. Soak it in water for overnight. Next morning, drain the water and wash it again and transfer it to a wet cloth. And tie it and keep it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you will get nice sprouts like this. Now we have to steam the sprouts like this. If you have steamer, you can use steamer. So that you have to cook the sprouts till they become soft but not mushy. Cover a lid like this and boil for 5 minutes. Now it is well cooked but not mushy. Switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Into a bowl, I am adding 1 cup of cucumber cubes, 1 cup of carrot cubes and steamed pulses. To this, I am adding 1 spoon of jeera powder or cumin powder, pinch of pink Himalayan salt and quarter cup of grated fresh coconut. Coconut gives healthy fats. All these sprouts rich in protein support muscle health, keeps you fuller for longer and aids in weight management. Sprouts and veggies rich in fiber help better digestion and prevents constipation. Low glycemic ingredients helps to manage diabetes and heart health. Vitamins, minerals and antioxidants strengthens the immunity and keeps you active. Next one is cabbage, carrot and sprout salad. For this, I have taken 1 cup of green mung sprouts and 1 cup of grated cabbage, or you can cut it into thin slices like this, and 1 cup of grated carrot. Squeeze half lemon juice. Pinch of pink Himalayan salt and give a good mix. This salad is low in calorie and high in fiber, keeps you full for longer. Green mung sprouts and cabbage promote gut health and prevents constipation. Rich in vitamin C, antioxidants and plant nutrients that strengthens immunity. Sprouts provide plant protein and fiber, helping to maintain stable glucose levels. Carrots, beta-carotene supports glowing skin and good vision. Next is cucumber, carrot and tomato salad. For this, I am adding 1 cup of cucumber cubes, 1 cup of tomato cubes and 1 cup of carrot cubes. And finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 spoon of jeera powder and pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Give a good mix. Cucumber has high water content that keeps the body cool and hydrated. Tomatoes and carrots provide lycopene and beta-carotene, protecting cells from damage. Low-calorie, fiber-rich salad that promotes fullness and reduces craving. Natural fiber aids digestion and prevents constipation. Vitamin A and C supports glowing skin, while antioxidants supports heart health. Let us move to the next salad. For this, I have taken 1 cup of cucumber cubes, 1 cup of apple cut into small pieces and 1 cup of carrot cubes. Finely chopped coriander leaves and crushed pepper as per your taste. 2 tablespoons of grated fresh coconut and pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Give a good mix. Cucumber keeps the body hydrated and supports detoxification. Apple and carrot improves digestion, gut health and helps to control appetite. Vitamin A, C and antioxidants strengthen the immune system. Natural fiber and healthy fats from coconut keeps you full for longer. Coconut provides good fats for energy while fruits and veggies promote glowing skin. Friends, these 7 simple weight loss salads are easy to make, light on the stomach, and perfect for daily meals. They help to control hunger, improve digestion, and supports healthy weight loss naturally. Try adding them to your routine and see the difference. And let me know which salad you like the most in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe to Sathvik Lifestyle for more easy and healthy recipes. See you in the next video. Till then,